Hi, on this edition of Simple Meals with Dave, I'm going to make some chicken spaghetti. I'm going to go over the ingredients. I have about 30 ounces of cream of chicken. I have 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. I have 2 cups of cheddar cheese. I have about 10 ounces of diced tomatoes with chili. I have about 3 chicken breasts that I have diced up. I got about 2 teaspoons of parsley. Over here I got about a pound of spaghetti, and I got 2 teaspoons of salt and some vegetable oil that I'm going to boil the spaghetti in. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to boil the spaghetti, and I'm going to do it for about 9 minutes. So once I get the spaghetti going, now when you're doing the spaghetti for chicken spaghetti, you do not want to overboil it or overcook it, because we're going to put it in the oven and it's going to keep cooking. So I'm going to put the salt in there, and I'm going to add about, using some vegetable oil. I like to use a little bit of oil, helps it where the spaghetti doesn't stick. So we're going to let this boil about 9 minutes. Once the water's almost to the temperature, and I'm going to let that boil for 9 minutes, and then I'm going to drain it. Okay, when we're cooking the noodles, you just want to stir it occasionally. Make sure that none stick on the bottom. It's looking real good. Coming right along. It's almost ready. All right, we got a few more seconds left. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the power. And it looks good. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain the spaghetti. So I have a strainer that I'm going to drain the spaghetti in the sink. And be careful not to let the steam get on it. Okay. It looks real good. Okay, so now I'm going to add the ingredients. Okay, so I'm going to put, of course, I'm going to add some chicken to it. Then I got the diced tomatoes with some green chilies that I'm going to put in there. I'm going to add the cream of chicken. And what I like to do when I make this, I like to put mozzarella cheese in it. I just put all the mozzarella cheese in there. And then I'm going to mix it all together. Okay, and I'm going to put a little bit of parsley in here. Okay, and I got the oven set at 400 degrees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this. I have a pan here. I'm going to put it in the pan. Then I'm going to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. Continue to mix a little bit. Okay, now when I put it in the oven, I'm going to cover it with some foil. Okay, and I'm going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. cheese ready to come out. Then I'm going to uncover it. I'm just going to uncover it. Then I'm going to top it with cheddar cheese. Some mild cheddar cheese. And then all I'm going to do is put this in the oven just to melt the cheese. Maybe about 4 minutes or less. So we're going to put it back in the oven for about 4 minutes. And after that, it'll be ready to serve. All right, the 4 minutes is pretty much up. Because like I said, all we did is we wanted to melt the cheese, the cheddar cheese on top. So we're going to take it out of the oven. And there it is, it's ready to go now. You're in.